Hello?
We have been compromised.
What?
SHIELD has been infiltrated.
Who is this?
Ed! We have been compromised! The sausage is out of the frying pan!
Diego, is that you?
This is Eagle Egg calling Mother Goose to say the snake is in the nest.
What are you talking about?
It's not safe here. Meet me where the earth is soft and the sun shines.
The roof?
Ed! Edward!
Edgar?
Edgar! The mouse is in the cheese! But yes, the roof. Now! Psst. Hey.
What the hell?
They might hear you.
Who?
Them.
Who's them?
The pickle is in the Milky Way.
Enough with the weird code words.
HYDRA. HYDRA infiltrated SHIELD.
I think you watched the Captain America movie too many times.
Well, yeah, it's a great film. It has a great story. The acting is top notch. You know, I think it's the best thing the Marvel Universe has done. Like, movie-wise. I can't wait to see the Winter Soldier again, you know? It's freaking awesome.
Definitely. Who are you talking to?
Keep it together, man!
Is that a real gun?
Ed, your pieces!
Pieces?
They're all over!
What's all over?
Keep it together!
Diego! Why are you covering my eyes?
Shh! They found us.
HYDRA found us?
Yes.
That's my brother.
That's what they want you to think.
I think I know if he was HYDRA. I mean, he's been my brother ever since he was born.
Hey! Hail HYDRA! Hail HYDRA! I told you! Hail SHIELD, bitch!
Oh!